We are watching this system now a Category 4 hurricane. It will likely become a Category 5. It will be a 4 or a 5 as it makes landfall into Jamaica. This is going to be a direct hit, and for some folks in Jamaica, this is going to be the worst hurricane on record as it rolls in. It will be worse in some locations than Gilbert, than what happened with Charlie in the 50s, than some other storms out there. This is a powerful major hurricane. It is headed right toward Jamaica. You can see it here, how well defined it is. This is what I've been talking about for days and days. We would see a satellite picture looking like this. The eye, all of that, it did rapidly intensify overnight. So we have that direct hit. Some of the rain bands are starting for some of us. We need to be in our safe locations. It's going to be a slow mover and a long duration as this moves in. Now with a system like this, where the eye comes on shore, that could be complete structure failure for some weaker structures. Roofs will be heavily damaged, if not torn off in spots. I know this is a lot of scary talk, but that's why we have done the preparation. That's why I've been doing everything I can over the last week to give out the warning on